Sir, teachers, and my dear friends, seniors. Today is a very special and emotional day for all of us. On behalf of all 9th class students, I feel honored to say a few words for our beloved 10th class seniors. Dear seniors, it is very hard to believe that the time has come to say goodbye. You were not just our seniors, but also our friends, guides, and inspiration. We learned many things from you, not only lessons from books, also lessons of discipline, friendship, and hard work. Dear seniors, your memories will always remain in our hearts. Your laughter in classrooms, your participation in games and programs, and your friendly advice will always be remembered. Now we are going to a new stage of life. We wish you success in our board exams and a bright future ahead. May all your dreams come true. Finally, I